Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be installing and reviewing this headband wig from WeQueen Hair. So I'd just like to give them a thank you for sending over this wig for me to try for you guys. So before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. Now that that's all done, let's get right into the video. So this is how the hair came packaged. This is a kinky, curly, light brown highlighted headband wig in 20 inches. This wig features 3 combs and a headband. This wig also comes with headbands as well. In the package, you'll receive a satin bag to store your wigs, wig caps, some promotional items, and then some hair care tips. Okay guys, so this is the wig right here. It is very curly, very fluffy, and then it has these highlights in it. I don't know what, like, they're obviously like blondes, but they're not like, I feel like some pieces are more blonde than the other pieces, so it gives the wig up, like, it's really pretty. It gives the wig more dimension, even though the wig has a lot of dimension anyway, as you can see. Look at that right there, that's so pretty. Well, I just have my hair, well, I have my wig cap on, and then my scarf is tying down my edges, so I'm about to take the scarf off and then put this wig on. So this is actually really cute. It's giving me like kinky curly hair. I kind of don't want to brush the hair out, but I'm just gonna brush it out and then wet it with my my spray bottle just to see what the curls look like when it's brushed out, and then if the curls revive. So I'm a little scared to brush it out just because it's so like kinky already. I don't know what it's gonna do when I brush it out, but we're gonna figure it out together, guys. We're gonna figure it out together. Okay, I look so crazy right now. So obviously when you brush it out, you get like this afro looking. I look a little crazy. I don't necessarily like the afro. I wouldn't even say it's like afro looking. It just looks like I didn't comb my hair for a while. So I'm not necessarily feeling the way it looks on this side. So I'm just gonna use my spray bottle, which I bought off of Amazon. It will be linked down in the description box below if you guys are interested in this bottle. Well, it's a misting bottle, but if you guys are interested, I will leave the link down below in my description box. So be sure you check that out. Let's see what kind of curls I get after I spray it down. If it comes back to something like this side, or if it just gives me something completely new. This is cute. So when I brush the hair out and wet it with water, it gives me this type of curl pattern, and I feel like this looks more natural than this side right here. This just looks really uniform. You really like uniformed, like it's all like the same curl pattern. This is way more natural, and the highlights look more natural. These kind of look a tad bit frightening. Yeah, these just kind of look a tad bit frightening. But on this side, it just looks like highlights, you know, it just looks like regular highlights. And I think it's because I brushed it out and I separated like the curls. They just look more natural. So I'm gonna do the same exact thing to this side of my head and then hope that I get this right here, this result.
Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead.
Okay, so I did that with the hair. It's still like very damp, almost to the point where I kind of might have did too much. But I am gonna show you guys the headbands that came with this wig. I believe I picked out headband set 2. So these are what the headbands look like. These are kind of more fall neutral colors. They're not really my type of thing for spring. Even like the yellow is kind of, it comes off brighter on camera. It's like more of a mustard color. I think we're gonna do the brown one just because I'm doing a neutral top today, like a neutral lip. But it's light though. Oh wait, I don't know if it has enough stretch for this hair. Okay, it probably does. But I like the fact that it has this this like crisscross detailing on it. I love that. But I do feel like these headbands are more for like the fall and winter. I just chose these headbands because these were the headbands I did not have. The other options, I already have a bunch of those headbands, you know, like the camouflage, rude. Like the camouflage and the yellow and blue and the red, you know, the Hawaiian prints. I already have a lot of those, so I decided to get a headband set that I did not have. I'm gonna try and put this headband on. Okay. Yeah, I feel like these are really wintry. They're very wintry. I will definitely wear these in the winter though, like without a doubt. Oh wait, do I have this one like backwards? No. So this is, I hope you guys can like see it. It's kind of hard for me to see it in my camera. But this is what the headband looks with the wig. It's super cute, but definitely more of a fall and winter type of headband in my opinion. Now if you want to go ahead and wear this headband during the spring and the summer, don't let me stop you. Don't let my opinion stop you. Do you, boo. Do you. Okay? Usually I would style the hair up in like different styles and stuff so you could see how the hair, you know, how versatile the hair is. But this hair is so big and fluffy. I feel like me trying to manipulate this hair into styles like the half up, half down and 2 buns, doing all of that right now would cause a lot of shedding because this is extremely curly hair, and extremely curly hair is extremely high maintenance. So honestly, if you get something really curly like this, I would suggest just wearing it as is. Obviously you can style it half up, half down like I'm simulating right now. It's just gonna be a little harder to do that because this hair is so curly. If it was just like a loose wave, or maybe not like as a deep curl or a tight curl, it'd be a lot easier to, you know, move around and stuff. But it is a little sorry guys, my camera died and I can't remember what I was saying. Can't really remember what I was saying, but all in all, I do like this hair. It's very fun and flirty. I just want to do like this all the time. I think it's super cute, and I think it is like, I like it. I do like it. It's different for me. This wouldn't be like an everyday wig for me because I told you curly hair is high maintenance, so it's just not gonna be every day for me, but it could definitely be every day for you. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave all of its details down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give me a big old thumbs up and leave a comment down below. If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a